District Administration Imphal today carried out an eviction drive at MOIRANG KAMPU Sajep AUNG LAKH, prompting protests from the residents. As order issued by District Administration Imphal is said that construction of a new building of Chinkai Development Organization at MOIRANG KAMPU Sajep AUNG is not accepted by the government since the site comes under state land DAC. Number 116 Revenue Village 37 Sajep. India has reported 12,923 new COVID-19 cases and 11,764 recoveries in the last 24 hours, informed the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare today. As per a media report, the new cases take the cumulative count of people infected with the virus in the country to 1,08,71,294, including 1,42,562 active cases and 1,05,73,372 recoveries. With 108 deaths registered in the last 24 hours, the COVID-19 toll now stands at 1,55,360. A close aide to ousted Myanmar leader Aung San Suu Kyi was detained in a new wave of arrests following last week's military coup, a party official said today, as Washington moved a step closer to imposing sanctions on the junta. As per a media report, Aung Suu Kyi aide Ko Tin Shui had served as Minister for the Office of the State Councillor under Suu Kyi, who has been detained since February 1 coup. In one of the biggest sieges of smugglers' ARECA nuts consignments in Mizoram, troopers of Assam Rifles recovered an ARECA nut consignment in the state's Champhai district, estimated to be worth ₹7 lakh. According to reports, the Assam Rifles Search Battalion recovered a total of 50 bags of ARECA nuts from Tiangsam area in Mizoram. One person has also been arrested in connection with the seizure. JAMAAT-UL-MUJAH in Bangladesh, JMB, Chief Kausar alias Bomjamijan, the prime accused in the 2014 Burdwan blast case, was sentenced to 29 years in jail for waging war against democratically established governments of India and Bangladesh. A media report said the sentence was announced by an NIA special court at Kolkata. The accused, Kausar alias Bomjamijan, is a resident of Skekar Vita village in Jamalpur police station under Bangladesh Jamalpur district. In a major development, India and China have agreed for a complete disengagement along the line of control LAC in eastern Ladakh. In his Rajya Sabha address on the present situation in the India-China border standoff, Union Defence Minister RAJNATH today said that sustained talks with China have led to agreement on this engagement on the north and south banks of the Pangong Lake. RAJNATH went on to say that India is committed to maintaining a peaceful situation at the borders. An earthquake measuring 7.7 magnitude in the Richter scale has triggered a tsunami in South Pacific. As per a media report, the 7.7 magnitude earthquake that jolted South Pacific has resulted in tsunami. The development has been confirmed by the Australian Bureau of Meteorology. The Australian Bureau of Meteorology has also issued a warning to Lord Howe Island, which is about 550 kilometers 340 miles east of Australia's mainland. However, the tsunami alert was later cancelled by the Australian Bureau of Meteorology.